Tashtle tin Tsekyi Tarot Tedins Lapi Palakasu Shu and Kirangi Lota Duk Ta Look. The Shini Kanuchi by Nanyendum de Kirangi Chidure, Kirangi Chidu, September monthly reading Yila Shuangi. Any monthly reading this time this Chu Chasum, Ani Kachilana, this Neko Chogo to this travel to Chia Kokop Chungsung on the this Chu Chasum, and Kugime Bashu and Shuangi. Ani ta ngala tada kachi chigi comment tang ani mail na kharili dulana personal reading chigi be ani 1-to-1 session chigi be o then to ngala comment to da mail and mango chungsora ani di ngarang khari shingi to slana tada ngani ka chig chu komgi mindu kondala shei tada ngani ndung chiksu inde ngala ngara lega shimba che o de chiru du chu itis komgi mindu ti inde tada nga personal reading mix chigi mes ine chima kisinga personal reading to che ko chu kwa ina ani nge kiran chola tada ngang ndung gi ngene ni senda shei lan shei okay ani tada nga reading di chiru inchi ki tis lugi ra ani khaji lana khaji chi yang ala comment nangla subtitle lu che lani mango pel ligi du ani di yang bege kapun like kigur chene subtitle English na la lugia di dusupe mangbo che ra pe mangbo ko dudra di du gi kongi mi dulan she di du nga tis ta injike na la chawana mi khashi bigi yakku ko chugi mewa na koran zola injike ni ma tis message te ra ro ra di du on de chene mix chene ra tis injike lugia ye la she okay on de re ani tangbuti. Okay, the reading tangbu ani kiran sogi okay gonda tangbu kiran sogi time stamp the description ala shagi in sangma so loda sangma ga chita mago che loda sangma na loda shi jingim do suira ani loda shi ga nim do ta mago che so loda khari yon di tamya che description ala open che ani so ida ta di dupshi chen so aji loda de ta li du ya on de la kitchen on de kapto so aji ta yo o de chine lulu chine ra ta yo chine on de so aji le la o chine ra on de share description ala yo la share okay time stem di ani la so ta tambo na lota pi lota korim chine ra duk lota chine ra lota do imbai na dingi don kira ge chidre kira la September gi tawa dina la kare gari chubidu mo de kola reading yi la share yi okay ani tambo di kiran so achi current energy chira ani lulu chini mutu ninge do si la shaira okay ani tambo kiran ge current energy ra kiran so current energy ngandi do chike dishan dawatina la kare gari chungu do what is happening for you in this month okay ani kiran so la blessings your blessings for this month okay this is your blessings for this month ani tambo kiran so current energy ra okay, Justice and Queen of Wands. Kiran so current energy ta yakko desha energetic pen kalauren leka che hurbu che lopchong chingi na lopchong che leka chingi na leka che chik kare do chik so chingi yone ondi gala pe confident pe hurbu ra tak chu po chinira pe nyemba che endi gala simla shide ra simla pe shidi do danda kiran so current energy simla shidi do problem in the game do ani kiran so currently kare chungdula na nature do chira na kare chungdula na kiran so la justice kiran so danda ba madi wa de kare chungo ne ondi la takta kiran so da jiwa do cha do da ra so la justice da dendi ma chuna takta indi di ma song dendi chi yung ma song samya chama so takta diya do da ra no takta dik do de ra o de do chira kiran so danda madi wa kare ni takta dik do de do chi do current energy your current energy looks like you are very confident right now and you are feeling very peaceful from inside but you are taking action okay you are taking action and you are being very energetic and you have received justice recently okay so whatever you're going through you feel like okay justice is served you're feeling like that right now okay so this is your current energy and then the kiranzola yungurti karidulana okay king of wands kiran so future planning ra kiran so gi the ma pala tene chi me di pang do di sa do di chi yora dawa dinala kiran so gi on de ra da dai to di ngala ni di ngala pingi do di sagi di nga sagi me ni na di pembo do di sagi me la to da di pembo do di sagi di sagi me la to da so be future kala tak chu bu chi ni to ra career ina nga di chi di la ga di nga career kala pe yak chi tuk sare di nga chi tuk samari so be kala ore yenje shuk chimbo yak chi tu ya ra you are making future plannings okay you are doing future plannings right now and you are going to be very active. Okay, you're going to be very selective. Right? This is going to be very good for my future. I'm going to do that. This is not good, so I'm leaving this. Okay, you are doing like that for your diet. This can be for your diet, for your health, medicine, for your relationship. This can be anything, but you are planning for your future, better future. Okay, on the future get you to pay planning. I'm treating Canada. Treating Yapu de consume relationship in a mount or relationship the Yapu get to each to the Nakari children. Pay touch you at me on the little chira. Can I pay touch you? Negativity, do what some panya and Yagasamakurangi lay on the little shit and they can pay active Canada, active mode, color queen of wands and king of wands, Nikali Sanika pay touch you put active mood Canada energetic. You're being very energetic right now, okay? Energetic, okay? Not energetic, sorry. Anira. Okay, the devil. They can answer that. Karidu which they can answer. Danga ditching the punky, ding a new key to let you own the new king is some macuranzuila. Pantuya, wanted the rest so la carry new to the summer pantuya pen a diet can in the Kanagian. She got a junk food to Sadia to the so new rig in the Sadia, Tungia, new rig in the Tungia to that. You're a chick so you carry wanted the carry to make Kurang, rich all the summer pantuya wanted it. When a relationship like Kurang, me, the new kid in the other Kurangi, nin. Kalau karo do dang ani krangi nyin do dang nyin we to poto mo indi ne so kashi yang so so ni ke ding de do yan chambo indu do chini so so nanglo ni yang pacho takdo do sa so so ni ke ding on de yo na de bi so so ya hago sama pang do ya o de ni do chira kang tar kram su yi kari ni do de sama krangi pang to ya dawa de na lo de ni do dara kram pe go su o da di ya ku min do da dinga pang do la cho you are taking very active decision towards your better future if you are if someone is hindering you for doing whatever you want, this can be anything. This can be for your diet, you are taking junk foods, or you are consuming some bad things like alcohol or something, then you are going to stop doing that from this month. Even if some people are bringing some negative energy towards you, then you are going to stop that person to come near you. On the next year, get some negativity lead to some taring putang to yara. Oh, then you are going to be very selective this month, okay? You're going to be very positive and you are going to stop negativities from the people, from the surroundings, from this can be from anything, okay? Oh, then you can pang to ya, oh, then you pay the kirangi touch to ya, kirangi counter the kirangi addiction to chikangi kari do chini, to the only thing ma doing to ya, kiranga kangi kari, tola kangi tea to the ma doing to ya, rata, the no, then you to kirai pay touch to ya, guys and king of wands lead the kirangi pay touch to the future and the summertime and present la kari dini do pang, kari di le no de ra kirangi king of wands lady on the tunguri, okay? And kiranzogi harafin and kiranzogi michia and advice ling yadra so the kangi take you on then the kangi anima kandis tunguri and soon advice lingura and correct professional advice lingura. You are going to take some advice from the professional, okay? And if you are dealing with some health issue or dealing with some relationship issue, whatever you're going through, you are going to seek some advice from the profession, okay? Professional. And this can be teacher, this can be doctor, this can be so in a relationship advisor, karine psychologist, karine sirra on the taking some advice for the kajin advice kajin lingyur so the kanye karido on the doing to advice on the lin tawadinala advice the ragidu kirala ani dini kirangi kanye kari di tata chodi on the doing to ya, okay? And tawadila kanye kari tola dodi on the doing to and doing to ne kiran kachiri the pay which I celebrate chiera and yana the relationship in the relationship like ranzo kanye ti de kyo kimi pa chuma cham nyokta chupa tozing nyokta chik madik yang ka karo tin chuma cham enti do yo ai ne kiranzo gi advice len and advice yakpu chik rawa na di gi lamtin khari tiri lamtin yakpu chik tira yam lamtin yakpu ti radio ni so so mo pe yakpu chadu khari tiri ni on the celebration yana kiranzo gi changsa ge do the live series tara the pa understanding le in deep sari dress series len to ya on the day tingi dura this can be anything this can be relationship or this can be other things career na line so so ita khari chiu ko ma chodar mi ge ne ko ma ko tang mi ge ne so so la support ya bo ma chi kan ma bo thi gi wana advisor sala do ni kan ri da so so this ha go ni mi chi chi ora so so na mi pin che ni ta ga ni do na le yong si ri na mi pin che ta pin ga na le gi ba na le da chia do chi this ko so ko yong chi la advice len and di che ni kurang gi dal on di lam du chu ya advice len and so so ya ko cha ya success cha ya on ni da wa di na on di tu gi du Ani the advice the health kang line so health kajira na the doctor to dang so dietitian to da yura the so get the health kang la yapu sungi chi yan collaborating trainer to da so treating yapu so trainer to and then about kira laziness che treating kala shi something min tani ani kira treating kala something wa na kira la trainer ko ra da so pu yapu sungi trainer ra mentally yapu su tu ngi kira mental da trainer on the kang tra kira advice ra yapu chi lingi du ra kira kare ka tola kanyi ti yo ne on the tola kira advice le ani advice the len sa zo an kira yapu chaya di gacha ga nyakchi tar gacha ga redu la cha o de do shi tu gi du ra kira so pe yapu do tu ya ani pe yapu do da di kare ne se da di devil di kira so gi life la da kashi chi chi do health kashi chi chi do relationship kashi chi chi do career kare ne da di ni ma kanyi ti ni du ya la advice ra kinta di so professional kari lene ode advice lenya ani advice ta so language chi yar kita mo samne professional ne changira da ode do an advice ani so pe apochaya ra on pe apochaya da so kari to la kanya ti do lupsin chi ne kari lingo yinga lup chung kari chango university ka to kari chango ko chung mena advice mi ra to achi wan so professor in the europe no do an advice lenya do dan so pe apochi mara apochaya ode do ra da wadinala okay ani kiran zo kari ti do knight of cups ani emotionally satisfied chaya da kiran zo ra da kariche tanda ba to khache goi sheda go ma chu emotionally thak chu ma thu kariche goi sheda ha ma go this konyo po cha de na da kiran gi dawa dinala ani kiran gi thak chu tu gya ra you are going to take a decision ra ani that decision will make you emotionally satisfied okay o de ro chitungi do dawa dinala ani okay, whatever you're going through, you are going to take some advice from the professional, and then you're going to celebrate in that situation right now. Whatever you're going through, okay, this can be in a relationship, this can be in your career life, this can be in your financial life, this can be in your health. Okay, this can be anything. Okay, so you're going to be very good. Ani then an emotionally satisfying or ra na chorwa de batsimia ra chorwa de batsimia wonde de doshi to chorwa satisfaction ra de batsimia ya ko jungso la ni so ra dawa dinala o de doshi samlatang ani lele de ado da de se samlatang o de doshi dawati o de doshi tingi do kiran zo ichidra ani kiran zo la blessings dawadina karido okay there's satisfaction emotionally satisfaction rang redu da kiran zola dawadila chorwa ngone be de bak simya de bakangya ra o da dinga be ko jungso same chiya o di li dura emotionally satisfaction ra de so de batsimya ani kiran zo da nga pe ko cha sung da la ni tiachi o de blessings re da blessings an kiran zo da karido la kanyi do de ne o di tola kiran zo pe ko cha to ya dawadina la de advice and line chin lisa this sama follow chira ni kiran zo satisfaction ra you are going to be very satisfied in this month emotionally okay and you are going to accept the situation whatever you are in right now okay you are going to accept that and you are going to feel very proud and satisfied okay this is your blessings and second blessing is you're going to find some new passion new energy new thing new path okay in your life in this month as a blessings okay and kiran so that's sawa chikra da so da de chik di chik chego da di pya ko da nga de chik chego do la so la sawa chik ni ech me o de sawa chik khar chego na o de ni do dam di to la kiran pe da go ju ya idea di rawa da ama di idea de pya ko do nga di chego do la ech so o de do ja idea follow che o de do shi tu do na kiran do la kan par sawa chik ni do ra ta wa de na o de kiran so chi do blessings re da future la kiran so pe ko chu ya da sawa lam ka sawa chik ni do da di lam ka sawa di kiran so sim to wa na future kiran so achi pe ya ko cha ya ra na jima kiran la pe pen to ya onda di kari ne sir sawa de so da kari sik chi gi trading ala sik chi gi be na trading ala sawa chi ra ya ko chi diet ya ko chi ende ya na mentally kiran so ya ko so samtang ya na physically ya ko ya na emotionally ya ko ya na kalaure financially ya ko da kari do la kiran so relationship ya ko kari so de ne de odila idea sawa chi ko di che na ngam jima pe ya ko cha gi do da la cha o de sawa chi gi do la ne she okay da wadila ani kiran so chi reading tangam si ani so la ko message de so la ta ra yo pe rewa ye pe ning chimo chine message ni yo pe rewa ye lan share yi ani kalaure kiran so gi nindung tila kada ani channel la subscribe ani nindung de so gi da lo ta pa zo ha go yo binge na mi ngo shima na la ta pa zo de share lan share ra ani kalaure yurte cheyong Tashile dullo ta so kirangi lo ta dulli bai na nyindung de kirangi chedu September gi dawa dinala kare kare chugidu on kola reading yi la shen yi ani okay and dango kirangi current energy this is your current energy and what is going to happen for you in this month Ra dawadina kirala karega chungudu ni. Ani kiranga chido big blessings. Okay. On the current energy, current energy than the candidate okay, the star in the temperance, nice, wonderful. Current energy paying Jimus in the Desha, Pepe Yakudu Kiranzora. Okay, kiranzo emotionally it is balanced to chara be balance chetsi kaidu emotionally be balance emotional lana throwa be balance chetsi kaidu kiranzo any kiranzo emotionally satisfied recently kari chungwa kiranzo be de batsing de bakang be yakpo jungso asamya to da ani kiranzo danda ine yakpo do thuya gira simba gi throwa mix gi throwa be dewa shukchimbu top thuya da balance ye thuya ra kirangi throwa di family nangla ine throwa yakpo dusut yakpo tang thuya ani kirangi lega chesalene dusu yakpo tang thuya o de do ta dusu gi be balance yakpo kheli chi ge dura ani kiranzo be q simba q o de do current energy kiranzo ach pe ning jimudu your current energy looks beautiful and you are emotionally very satisfied whatever happened recently with you you are feeling very proud you are feeling very satisfied with your emotion okay you are emotionally very satisfied currently I think and you're trying to make balance with your work life and personal life okay you're trying to make balance in these two only the thing you do can also current energy paying chimu tagar rang te go re lai chao the satisfaction das kajila ngazo katsu positive kang la shukchibu di thuai ne dagam skin ngazo positive manga attract chi re lai cha manifest chi re ani kiranzo ta na negative to shukchibu samutam duga de kyang kyang bo samutang dewa na ni mitsina la duga de mambo chungi re lai cha o de ta kiranzo danda ina emotionally satisfied yakpo balance kala yakpo chungsong o de yora kiranzo be positive emotion ke de shara chrowa pe sambu ke de shara di ni kiranzo ta garang mutune te tona pe yakpo re la shya okay ni kiranzo la dawadina la kare jungo okay victory card li du tangshu and la jo me jo hu la jo hini kila masong nga nga tagara yi lai cha nga girwa tangi me nga tagara yi nga mi tagara yi mi tam la nga chuma thabya go me nga ngui su nga khandi tagara yi lai cha o de de da so pe kala ore tagarang de tu ya mi tam la chuma thap ne yak do che do da chik chang do che chik do da o di kyuni me o che so nga khandi tagara yi lai cha o de de chi de dura kinan sura ani kinan zo yo de de che ne de la pa en kinan zo ki live la decision lingi dura age bi kya karna hai lai cha age what to do what am I going to do next lai cha because I'm the way I am like you. Adanga khandi ondira like you. On the do chira and kiranzo gita next karachi on a decision ne galara next decision ne galali disha and kiranzo gita wadinala decision lingi tu okay kiranzo ye kari decision if you are confused in which one to choose from the career path or whatever you are confusion with you are going to make decision in this month okay on the wadinala kiranzo decision pe apolin tu du lan shera and kiran ngadira yi lan so mila shera di tamago je so being yourself like you o di do chitira so imba on the dagana ti lai cha tagi me lai cha mi dam la o de do chi dura ani kiran so completion the world card li dura the kiran so gi ta ti li du kari so do ya tharing bu do sha ya chik so dan da ba do le chik yora khor de chora so la le chik jung de o de ma den do ke shi yora da ani kiran tharing bu saja da saja chi la ti na saja shi ba chi la tharing bu chi la do ya o de de so phama pin chi nyam do di yo ai na de le tharing bu chwe do da o de de tharing bu so do bo do mo ne ta chik nyam so le gi ne na sa de li da na sa kora ge na de do da o de yo ai ne ni di nele ya den thogya so ni le da ba do chik lamdu chi ya ma yuk ta khari jaga do ni lamdu ma yuk ni de so le do chi ta o di complete that so do et ngyor ta zo ani chapter sawa chi go chi ya o de chapter sawa chi live mi chi gira na lopchen sawa chi go chu ya la cha o de ro chi ra ngyor ril she da wa di ni ma kina la ani kirang la da khaji chi da name fame money to da la kali khang de yor ta so ta financially nga ya ko su du da nga ming tis nyen da ke ta yo su ni chu du la gi du da de ki thola so ta online de wala ta so lega che video to upload che so chi khari chawa se ba khari kyong gi na ta on de la so la name fame de kali gali ra tawadini ma ani faya go to ya o de to gidra so and financially ni so freedom chance so kali khari ge ne de la pa ni tibu thongya ra so tibu thongya o de do whatever you trying you are doing right now you are going to see the result the positive result in this month slowly but steadily you are going to see the positive result whatever you are doing working ra on the positive result ya than the chance to tawadila ra on the and you are completing something in this month, okay? You are this can be anything you are completing. You are going far away from your family. This can be or this can be anything, okay? So something is completing in your life in this month. Oh, then we do okay. Any traveling, okay? So kenzo rap na mangche travel che shukchim bu tingi da dawa dinala travel shukchim khajina de completion de tar ngu twa tingi ra ni de koni kinan zola ya travel che de tingi du na ni ra travel trip le ya travel je lo ba shi bala twa de chance to ani digala tanda khari dula na khaji chi chi yang good news so tanda positive result chikkali du kyapan dela pa beta gu dingi chi yora tanga result continue chi ligi na da on de ra pe positive result de chance to len share de na result pe positive good news are coming your way, or you are going somewhere making some trip travel. This can be happen as well, or you are going to receive some very good news, some positive results, okay? If you are waiting for something, then you are going to receive a positive result, okay? Okay, any okay partnership. Oh, that can partnership. Right? I wanted to catch it. The single in by na me to be a chances to dawa dinala. Ani na kiranzo yang relationship nala yo ay paso samshi to lead to me chamgi me this kanya tigi wa ina ani kiranzo dawa dinima paso samshi shukchimbo lead to ya relationship nala samshi shukchimbo lead to ya give and take danda ba to kirangi pape tsewa chi ni chu sheda tsewa chi mindu na chu sheda jego et takta chi mindu dar pa kagamski effort da sosogi tsewa tenwa na shi chu tengi mindu samgi wa ina dawa dinima an kiran chu receive che ko chuksareyo tsewa de pa khandi yo na shin chu samshi che yana kiran di mi dagarang ni yana mi shimba chi ni yang kiran la da kiran gi mi chi la pe tsewa che yang di kiran la pe chu shida di chi mi wa ina shimba chi gi ni kiran yang dagarang chu pe tsewa chi ra do da o de do yana kiran dagarang mi di kiran la chu tsewa da kali kiran la understanding level de o da mone ya kudu sam ni tsewa che ko chu ya o de do ra da kang da deep level ra your relationships are going to be very deep, deeply connected towards each other. You're feeling you're going to feel like you have known for like long ago. Na wonde de ora pe ngoma ni korong washing you auto ta misawa chi thune samsam chimida timi da ngman thoyo ge do ngman jo ge do da chimma gi le da de sunam to de this yo ina na wonde de feel chi da o tine de to get chances be do la share, okay? Wonde de do chi tingi do ni kiran so achira na ti laure. Blessings karili dulana. Okay, expansion da kiran today munne kashi chikta de resha da country change chance to kiran country shimba and the international travel the can trip and the travel and the link on the international cam the international leka the international lopchong the chi ge kabla the do shi dura ani business to in international level ka chimbo che so leka job to in international dan longba shimba la country shimba la job chi le to the job apply che do the career in ta tinala kiran blessings on the to the chi ge kap shuk chi buding your expansion the relationship nala imba ina yang kiran the deep connection sugi la do dara o the blessings ligi do dara tanda but the relationship nala long term relationship commitment kala di yo ina da yang ta changse kegi da engagement chi yo the do ra your blessings is that you are going to, if you are a student, you are going to study in abroad if you want it, okay? So this is your blessing. Or if you are a business, if you want to work in abroad, then this can be happening this month as well. This is as a blessings. This is coming as a blessings, okay? Or if you are in a relationship and you are you wanted to spend your life with that person, then you are going to get married in this you are going to make a plan to get married in this month, okay? Do ani kiranzola new idea towards your career, okay? Kiranzo gichido career la ideas sound right odana you're going to get some ideas to make your career better in this month, okay? So this is coming as a blessings. Kaji chido literally changsa gaya on the tingido changsa gi planning de changsa gaya engagement chiara propose chia patsura o the tingido kaji chido yang so lega kala promotion raya ra o the do tingido so lega chingi career kala promotion raya do the ideas and these sama karila na blessings ke form la ligi ore kenan zo chido blessings. These are the blessings for you, okay, for this month. Oh, the do resha ani okay. Reading the dagam sresha ani kiran so la message de penging chimo chinera yo berewa ye ani nyendong de la kadak channel la subscribe ani di chene kiran zo lo da pa zo mo shwa yu nge de zo la pa zo nyendong de share chire che la ni share yi ani nyer de che yang tashtele kiran lo da ta yin pa ni nyendong kiran ge chidure nyendong de le chene mo to ni si la ni share yi 아니 키라라 다와디나 카레가리 중기도 September month라 진도고 나라 키라라 카레가리 중기도 어디 거라 prediction이 난시이 okay 아니 this is your current energy kirangi current energy tanda khari solwa khandi do chudi dura undi kola these are what is happening for you in this month okay kirala kare chudu da and this is your blessings oh yeah the current energy what is your current energy let's see the emperor okay the kiran su kandi do chedi dula na talo ta so kiran su la the current energy di ta ni kale ye gabi lai cha tanda ba to ni kari thola ne ngarang energy ye mang bulu yi ni kale ye gabi lai cha de ti kari thola ne si la so so ye kari thola kale ye lopchung cha ya thola kale gab ge be trading ya ko so thola kale ge ge be mitsi ya ko so chi do yang relationship ya ko so chi do kari thola so so ye kale ge ne kale pe ni ga chi energy pe mang bulu yi pe kale ge ni ngon de do chi kiran su feel chi de she ya 다 단두이 내가 칼리 계기 디 돌아가 지겨라 두그리 계기 라죠 데니 도치 필링 키데샤 그냥 주요라 단둥아 가리 제고 통내가 지기 라죠 데니 두그리 도치 숙지 뭐 키데샤 and 그냥라라 단다 recently kokap sangbuchi kinala raksha di kokap khari ni sirra kokap chungju chimbo khaji chirbe kokap chimbo rayo sir khaji chir kokap chungju in sir khaji chir relationship la kinala proposal khaji chir yang so so leka career khana proposal le do da leka thende kokap tu le do da lopchung ina lopchen tende tende college tende tende university tende tende la thya kokap tu le do kokap sangbuchi so so chalale wara recently yang nature dandarang le yang no de kirang current energy on de tungi do your current energy looks like you have been through a lot but still you are feeling like I am ready to do whatever I have to do okay so this can be in a relationship you are giving lots of your energy towards your relationship towards your career towards your financial this can be anything okay so but still you're feeling like I have been through a lot but I'm still trying my best to do whatever I have to do okay you're feeling like that so this is your current energy and you have received something recently okay and this can be some good opportunities in your career or this can be in a relationship this can be anything okay so you have received something very good recently or you are going to receive it very soon or you just received it but you have received some very good opportunities this is your current energy okay 오늘 로시팅기도 아니 kenan 립큐르디라 tawadina 가리가리 중부들란 okay the strength card 리드라 strength 이게 가리팅열란 kenan 쇠금 숙침보라 따단다 봐도 kenan 쇠금 시다 메와쟁아 디 단다라 중고에 다 카레네 단다라 중고에 빼 쇠금 시다 메와 kenan 쇠금 시다 메와이나 다 다와디니 마 kenan 티식 쇠금 숙침보 차이죠 아다 게어 말이라 정이 칼리 겹식이 있네 디기 티부 가도 되네가 고기 일라이 차오 데리도 쇠금 들리기도 다 relationship 라이네 다 쇠금 다 lam상 kenan long chawdo yo aina kali kiran la patience tili dura da kali dawadina ne ma patience tili du ani kiran sugum chukchimbo chaya ani kiran la sugum kachu chimbo ine da khams ki midi dugri yaga yathore ini dugri kachu gyawa ine da khams midi successful midi life la yapu cha dugri la cho odi okay you are going to be very patient in this month patience are coming your way okay so if you are passionless you are feeling like oh I have to this it has to happen right now if you feel like that till now then from this month you are going to feel very passion okay patience okay this 조금 춤추라 어디를 두기도 아니 king of swords rather 그런 communication 가나라 그런 쪽이 배 handle 약부치도야 배 shake 요차도야 밀레네 tende control kiragi kechagi ngoni gora control chedu yara mila tende chikshega do mini ale ya la ni nya de chadu yara o the communication gala kiro best strong chedu tadi kiro sula shega do ne business tola ine career tola ine kirangi relationship na la ine kirangi kari tola ine kechadi chikshega do su ine ale re da make sense like taking do ngoni kirangi kechala point two like o tende dora you are going to be very good in communication okay your communication skills are going to be very improved in this month and whatever you say people feel like oh this makes sense there's a point in your words okay people will feel like that whatever you say okay on the rochira and can get garilla by the meetings you pay lamsang au rishal and some dredge me so shake you on the yola the counter can shake you chani making in the can feel chire authority the power you get so ye garilla the meetings you get to this so authority to feel your word and the dawadina like can on the okay 아니 가지 지기 치도 양 소소 부부도 try 지기 아니 오는데 유마 이나 키란솔라 부부 차야기 chances 티도 다와디나라라 오는데 둥기도 키란솔라 아니 self love 카라라 키란솔 소소소 단다바도 소소라 accept 치야나 디스 카부 차기 와이나 다와디니 마키랑기 소소소라 acceptance 딜리드라 오케이 당가 다가나 링가 미 텐데 레틱샤 만디랑 이 라이죠 I accept myself 라이죠 오는데 you are going to accept yourself and your self loves are going to be very improved in this mantra you are going to avoid the negativity from your side and you are going to accept the positive you are going to see the positive side of yourself okay on the document la be positive so so la da mi la de la ya ga du ga ni ga yo la di ndi nga zo du ga di kyang kyang ta de wa ina so so la blame be ma bu je sure and so so be down feel ji da so yeah the can if you see your positive side then you will feel very good about yourself and you are going to accept yourself and you are going to feel loved towards yourself loving yourself no one did don't so la bit accept che so la bit se wa che chambu che so la I'm very lucky I'm very blessed no one did feel che so no one did the counter krangi pe positive chola shuk chimbu ta ya da wadi na no one did to do nam gyuni kina this life negativity shuk chimbu ta ge na da wadi ni ma kina positive chola shuk chimbu ta ya wadi le tungi du lan shena okay ani kina zo kaje chi chi du ta family member ne kina zo ta khribu de gi yo ina ta ra ani tugi ya ge ko kap da wadi na kina zo family sama zo me member sama zo me pha zo ga ga sa di ge sama zo nyam rup che ani so so ge pobo mo sorry Popo mo pala amla di sangmanyam to tokyagi ko kabo wonde to tungi dura kiran so you are going to meet your parents grandparents this can happen in this month okay this can happen and you are going to receive some good amount big amount of money okay wonde the bishop pe twin chimbo so la happy money ra wonde the so la pe bishop twin chimbo ra an kaji chi so promotion ra so la promotion da ba to kiran ki kalli gap ani da promotion go you something na wonde ra so leka yaga chi chi do kalli gap de no wonde leka 야 아니 소소 미 gemba imba ina da sozo bugu chungwa de zoda sozo gi chawo chamo de thari bu de thugi mewa ina tawa dila thugi gi kokap raya unde de uchira kandra pe ka ga to kip de thugi gi kokap raya family Oh, sorry. Family samanyam do som kip tiagira. On the nego kap sambutin gi dulan shei kiran zo chidura kaji ji chidura sacha raya kang pa raya sozo phama yu pinga yu ni raya chimi so so lo de raya gi chukchimbutin gi dura. Ta di raya de kare ni raya sira so so chidura ta dara dawa dinala on de raya chukchimbutin gi du. Ani kiran zo live la balance so etsi gera ani kiran zo ta career la ni ngale ka tene chi family la nga du se de tangi gi la do ta so so ra ta balance ani nga leka kyang na thom ding me nga na trading la ni this samrutangi la to the one the balance la balance kiliara no de tungi du ani khaji chi du yang lega nga di chi yu ni nga side hustle den chi gi la ya de zo khaga chi lega sawa chi go zo me de lega chiara no de do chi tungi du ani khaji chi du yang travel trip and planning yang yung si ra kina zo dawa dina la trip and correct travel and ta such and this no ba shimba de la trade do the one the planning and be dawa dina la dik si gi la she okay ani kina zo la blessings blessings la gari li dula na hard work okay kiranzo da patience ti li dwa da gi di kiranzo ida da tu su khari la tangi lo tu gi na lop chong la ra ta ni chia ik ngi na career la ra an dile chia ina so passion thola le ka chero da dile thoa ina ya so da trading la le ka chero da khari to so ida da energy chi lu gi ra on di ka la pe result ya ko thong tu ya kiranzo gira on the blessings to da pe result ya so khari to la da kali chi ge gi dile dibu pe sambo thong tu ya amanye kali gyai ta gyago choose la jo pe ya ko chung sol on and you are going to see very good results whatever you are putting your energy okay whatever you're working on right you are going to see very good result in that as a blessings okay ani keranzo ra taking stand for yourself and about me kala nyinde mi chik la du mi ngi la du mi sum la du la so shade khare do chi chaga do mi chik la ngi la shade yo na the blessings la kiranzo la khare li du la na kiranzo la and energy li du kira mi khare la ne love la cha ngara sim na khare yo dinga chigi la cha low ye blessings li du so kala you are taking stand for yourself you are not listening to whatever people are saying okay people are trying to pull your leg but still you are standing up for yourself okay this is coming as a blessings you are receiving lots of energy ra kira be energetic chagi du ani kiran ki mi kharlam ne la ngarang de ba yo geding na chigi ni la cha stand le so you tola stand le di kiran ye khari tola de ba yo ni mi chik la ri la she kum di yo ina ta di tola so ye stand len tu ya kiran ye action len tu ya hon di blessings tawa dinala li du la shwe okay ani na reading di da kamsi ani so la ko message de so la be ning je mu chine ra yu be rewa yu ani kirang zogi nyendung de la kadak channel la subscribe ani kirang zogi da so na me binje mo shwa de na la so gi da lo da de ha go sa de yona de zo la de nyendung de ge pa zo share chire chi la ni share yi ra ani that's it mir de che yung Tastele look lo so kira yelo ta lugi baina dingin dum kira ge chedu re kira ge chedu September gi dawa chinda kuwa dinala kare gar chugidu ode kola reading lan shwai okay ni dangbo kira ge current energy ra dangbo kira ge current energy check chegi this is your current energy and this is what is going to happen for you in this month and then these are your blessings okay kira ge check blessings re current energy. Okay, Ten of Cups and the King of Pentacles. Okay, emotionally satisfied, and you are celebrating something for. This can be anything. You just have celebrated something, okay, and you are making a decision towards your future, okay. This is your current energy. Kirangi current energy karidulana kirangi that recently nature kirangi be celebration kirangi picnic party celebration pa takari ni changsa gi party takari ni kirangi be yana family pinche changma nyam do chom nyam do chom ni kip tangya o tende do shik thungudura ani kirangi ta minga pe kyu chung so ta current energy ta ngani nga pe kyu chung sta ya pu chung sama dik sung ta nga next kari che go ina lan takchu shuk chimbu chi che la future gi dondal pe ta mix gi career kang sun la insigre takchu shuk chimbu che ra kyu ngi da future la ina nga tende sugi nga ra life tende sugi yi lai chi ya so me se ya pu chik sue ni jung ya che du nga tende chi gi yi la ni financial kang la yana nga retirement gi kap sunga tende yung ya che du ta nga de saving chi gi yi lai do dang ani yang financial freedom chungye chido ni nga da de chigi la so chik tak chu do de do current energy kinan zo ga chu de do chi tung do okay you are making some decision towards your future okay this can be for your financial decision this can be for your yes mainly financial decision okay for your retirement for your financial freedom okay so you are making some decisions ani kenang chibita kare yung bidu gondira okay celebration again celebration di dawa dina like to celebrate che do chitu gidura di celebrate kare ni insire so ichin rada leka do chi pe yak cha ni celebrate che do da yang to do mo ning ba ni ma gi da champu yu gyan nyam rup chen celebrate che yang do da sorry. 아니 situation yen데 직수에 참만년 누르르 체니 대야도다 아니 yen데 냠냠 누르르 체니 sana 기우 chen 대야도 데도 치라 되기도 오케이 아니 night of wands 리더라 아니 계란 속이 오케이 adventurous 아니 계란 기랍다 planning 망부 되게 치미 아다 치망 저 엔데 캠캠 저 디키우 땅고 된데 저 베 planning 망부 내가 이내가 저 future 라 된데 치디 저 어디 planning 베 망부 다와 디나래 그러기 베 planning 되게 냥카시 싱글 임바나야 된데라 energetic me on the chikirangi life meets na la chu yumya kiran single imba inani yang seeking for relationship then someone who is very energetic is coming your way for in this month okay on the do chikitungidura 아니 지단은 그냥 백큐 되기도 나와 되나라 백큐 되기도 아니 그냥 게 라이브라 되 에너지틱 미치글이야기 찬스도 야마 그냥 좋단다 relationship 나다 요 relationship 식 책이 매바이나 아니 그냥 게 다다 future 기라다 adventure 다 여라다 텐데 치고 번지 점핑 치고 라이도다 아니 지금 여라다 캠도 사제 된 큐 엔들라 두바이 도다 같이 두바이리 나 한번 일레반나 두바이리스 오케이 오늘 캠도 기라이도다 아니 칼로리 스카이 드라이빙 치기 라이도다 오늘 여라다 adventurous 기 planning to get to the thing이더라. 오케이. 아니 지단이 기란절라 nightmares 도라 셀랑이람 야고마데 도당 심라 베칸예 슈침볼리에 도당 아니 기란조 니 야고마데 믹스기라 셀랑이람 잡자 다미데 테 도당 오데라 칸예 티기와이나 아니 다와 딜네 기란라라 니 심라 시디리두 심라 시디 니 키우쿠야 오데데 리두 심라 텐션 망보베 키규 삼로 다미데 코란 셀라 삼로 유고랑이 만데 도당라 아니 다 칼라오레 아니 삼로 망보 코르니랑 레샤 프로블em 디라 가리둘란 삼로 pe ma bu khori da samlo da mi da khor ni ya kuma do de ne khaji chigla de gi ka ni ya thigi yu sa re kran so la ta de thini yu ba ina de din so iche da wa din ma kran so la ti chik sem la relief shide ra ni kyu khuk thuk ya gi ani reason de ni gi do da yang dra da ni kyu khuk mi do hops la ni kyu khuk sa re la na yu ma ra da yang de la pa ni kyu khu eche do ya reason chi ko ra da ra o di reason di ta wa din ala ni gi do ani di che ne kran be sem la shide tup tu do ni kyu khuk tu do na ni sem la be shide le symbol le cha ya o de da kiran so ya depression, the mild depression to the anxiety. Though if you are going through some anxiety, depression, and you are unable to sleep at night, then in this month you are going to find the reason how to come out from that situation. Okay, so you are going to come out from that kind of situation, and then you are going to be very going to sleep very peacefully. Okay, then the roshting being you could together can answer can you carry to the anything but doing to you could together. Chikta reason the daily down the okay, rather reason daily dadra. Yana future planning together, adventurous chedi chola, Sebago chadola rami. Ayana so young single chicken, Lanayan so live la be positive yaku, Chile, Wana, the Kirana, Topo, Mokarini, Sira, the Michile, Wana, the Chapuche, Young Kitchen Chichidu, Young Bay, you chadwich, Sebak Manchin, the Pelu chadwe, Rashidi, similar she did to the old, and the rats and some me positive energy killing the Kirocholani, they did Michito, and so beg you chadwe, the day with yang kashi chi yang soso di midi gora soso gora ende cha do e positive side di shuk chimbu ta ya go zo life na positive ya ga di kare kare do di ta ya go zo chi ni kare che ni life di kar rang shin be positive di thong ya go zo du ani kira gi simi ne rang shin gi wa cha do ro de de ra ta di kare ni in si ri ra ta gang tar kina ni ma tyen thu ga gi ra you are coming out from that kind of situation. Okay, or this get you can come out because of this person. The person is coming very positive energy with the person with a very positive energy is coming your way, so because of that you are going to feel very good. Or this can be yourself, you are going to see the positive side of yourself, and then you are going to feel very better, very good about yourself. Okay, then you are going to feel very good, and then you are going to sleep very peacefully. Okay, I want the okay, the gandra odi de doshting do kiran zura the situation that the clothing it is already the clothing it yura. The situation overthinking re q me semba q me tak chik madik ni madik sum madik yora de samara de sama clothing it is doing to gira. Okay, yana kaji future planning pe shuk chibuting or attention manguling gira on the day ani kiran zura the tawadina passion so pe the karila go do the niki tura you're going to find your passion. Or okay, this passion can be your career or your a person. This can be anything, your health. Like you know, and it was also you're that way. Then health ya pusugi somebody nani health kan la yang kira be passionate chatsara da di doing kira planning to get them a treating the yapu chai chidu nga kare kare chidu. And it's also relationship ina yang relationship the yapu sue chidu nga kare kare chidu. Ram career ina career mix sig da di career kan la shuk chimbu rik mang che chidu di career reda. And career kan la so passion di niya ani niya wa ina yang yung marangi ni practical contest chidu da on di kan la kiranzo action liya. Okay, tawadi la kiranzo kita go to ya leka de so you go you leka de go to ya on the tungidura. You are going to find your passion, and you are going to take action towards that passion. Okay, from this month. Okay, only the door to do. Okay, my wheel of fortune. Okay, the kiranzogi, the dawadi kiranzogi, career planning digi and a career passion, gala planning digi and a kiranzogi madupa game mindura to be a gaja ganyachik reshal and shera. Kaja wheel of fortune ligura kiranzogi, luckiest month lana di tigu rather than the indu kiranzogi, carretola passion, so rather relationship yargetan was some financial yargetan go kirangi yana career yana kirangi look chong che yargetan the career chikirangi than the trading yargetan was sambido courage yargetan was sambio in it our dinner like kirangi own the lekadi chegadrona madupa mindula share. Okay, kirangi madupa mindula share kajal wheel of fortune. Okay, your luckiest month lana dir own the need. Okay, then wheel of fortune is coming. Then whatever you are going, your passion is, whatever you are trying to do right now, you are going to fulfill that. You are going to be successful in that passion in this month. Whatever you're trying to do, you are going to be very good in that in this month, because the wheel of fortune is coming. This is your luckiest month. You can take this as a luckiest month. On the share. Okay, any blessings. Blessings can la lead. Okay, blessings la ace of cups lead. Right, kiranzo la satisfaction lead. Blessings la good news lead. Kiranzo ki career result la good. The result the positively at the shore do la na tir dara ace of cups lead. Kiranzo kangtar da bunga sangma kiranzo bunga era sangma debat simya gira da pega ya debat simya ge endi news ya po kiranzo chola suyung di do da di news karine insire the opportunity karine insire. This can be opportunity. This can be good news. This can be anything. This news is going to make you very satisfied. Okay, you're going to feel very satisfied with this news. Okay, this is coming as a blessings. And whatever you're waiting for, you're going to receive very positive news. Okay, positive result. Oh, then do che. And can I get you do? Kalidu. Six of Pentacles. Ani kiranzo financially pay yakuchaya chance to nora. Financial kana kiranzo pay dawadi pay yakuchaya kiranzo financial kana kanyi tigyo ane blessings ki forms like kiranzo financial pay yakura mi giropa yakuchingi right or the sozo promotion right or the sozo business yakudo or the sozo kanji kani ne the sozo la kandar pay financially kiranzo pay yaku yen chia o de tigidura. Ani financial yaku yen chia na kiran kandi chituri chimba bitang tugura o de dawadi ki blessings like kiran financial do kiran good news to. Okay, these two are your blessings. Okay, you are going to receive a very good news. You are going to feel very satisfied emotionally after receiving this good news, and you are going to feel, you are going to get a help, financial help. Okay, you are going to receive a very big amount of money, and then you are going to feel very happy about that, and you are going to give that money towards some needy people as well. Okay, oh, these are your blessings. Okay, oh, they need to watch blessings, the one they need to watch dura ani, oh, they need to watch read the canon watch reading dira takam si ani so la message kare go takta ra you be rewa you ani canon gin dum dila katak channel dila subscribe ani canon gi lota mo shing pa su bingen nang mi ta mo shing wa ye yun la in dum de pa su share chiri chi lan share yi ani nyur de chi yang